So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix MetaQuest 3 menus not loading, cache update and factory reset option. So the fixes are restart the headset, quick cache refresh, a restart clear temporary UI cache and reload system service. So press and hold the power button and volume button for about 10 seconds, then select boot device using volume button. Then wait for the device to fully boot and check menus again. Temporary system cache or UI process may fail. Restarting reload them cleanly. Fix second is force close background apps. If an app frees system resources, the menu may stop loading. So press the menu button to open universal menu, then go to quick settings in apps. Then close any running app or game. Reopen the menu. This step will free the memory and GPU resource, improve UI responsiveness. So the third fix is check for MetaQuest system update. Outdated firmware often cause menu or dashboard issues. Press the Meta button to open the menu. Open settings, then go to system. Software update, install any available update. Restart after updating. Updates contain bug fixes for menu loading, UI glitches and performance. Fix 4 is clear app cache. If menus freeze after opening apps, sometime a corrupted app cache interfere with a system UI. Press Meta button to open menu. Go to settings, then storage. Select problematic apps. Choose clear cache, not clear data unless needed. Remove broken temporary files without deleting your progress. Fix 5th is check internet connection. Some Quest menus rely on online service. Go to quick settings Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect to your network, then restart router if needed. This step will resolve loading delays caused by account sync or online content retrieval. So the sixth fix is soft reset, power cycle. If normal restart doesn't work, hold power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Wait until headset completely turns off. Turn it back on normally. This step will force hardware level refresh of system service. So the fix 7th is boot menu restart. Advanced fix. Use this if menus won't load at all. The following step will help to reload system files without deleting data. Turn headset off. Hold power plus volume down together. Boot menu appears. Use volume button to highlight boot device. Press power button to select. So the 8th fix is factory reset. Last resort. Only do this if nothing else works, as this remove app and settings but restore system stability. Factory reset will help fix deep software corruption or failed update. Method first is from headset, settings, then system, then reset. Choose factory reset. Second method is from boot menu, power off headset, hold power plus volume down, select factory reset. Thank you.